Good evening everyone. Today I am here with a new video. You can see the sunset. Yes, today I am here on the bank of river Yamuna in Paonta Sahib. This is such a mesmerizing place. You can see the sunset. Wow, just amazing. So it's just walking distance from main town towards river Yamuna, and this is a beautiful place. Let me give you a tour of this beautiful track. Wow. So this place, this track is made by the local people here. They practice their morning sessions. They do jogging here in the morning or evening, and it's very good place in these lockdowns to be. It's safe, it's clean, it's green amongst the nature. Wow. So this is the main town. Let me zoom. Okay. So this is your Yamuna Vihar colony, which we can see here in the pictures. And from here you can take a route down towards the river. Nice place. Wow, you can feel the air. So this place is just amazing. People of all age group, whether they are youngsters, old people, they can come here for their evening walk or morning walk and be among the blissful natural beauty. So this is a beautiful track which is created by local youth. I think it's a track of around 400 meters. So they practice here for their training. They're preparing for army and all those tests. So this place is just near river Yamuna in Paonta Sahib. Now we are getting closer to the river. I will give you a good view surrounding. Today I am here on an evening walk with my brother and my doggy. That's Robo. Robo. So guys, get ready for this amazing, stunning view. So friends, welcome. This is just amazing. We are here on the bank of river Yamuna in Paonta Sahib. So that's my brother Pankaj Chauhan here for evening walk, and here are some local guys having some fun time. So this is wonderful, serene. So this is river Yamuna, which is one of the holy rivers in Himachal Pradesh, and that's a beautiful track to Bawa Buresha on that side. So this is river Yamuna, And on the bank of river Yamuna is beautiful Gurudwara. Show you. Wow. Can you feel the air? The wind? So this is historical Paonta Sahib Gurudwara on the bank of river Yamuna, and it's flowing very silently. You can see the bridge. Wow. You can see the bridge which connects to Uttarakhand. So this is Himachal on this side, on the left hand side, and towards right hand side, that's Uttarakhand. So this forms a natural boundary between the two states. So wow, amazing place to be here in the evenings. Robo. So having fun time in the evening with these guys. This, wow. So you have the view of sunset, nature, track. Sing, sing. सुनाओ बेटा, गाना सुनाओ. सुनाओ रे. कौन सुनाएगा गाना? करिए करिए.
डांस और वो भी गाना चल गा दे भाई. ये उस पे जाएगा, न्यूज़पेपर में जाएगा, कल के अखबार में ले लेना, अमर उजाला उसमें जाएगा.
गाओ बेटा गाओ. गावे ना. वाओ. विल डू पुशअप्स. कितने लगाओगे बेटा? लगाओ जरा, गिनता हूँ मैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6. बस 6 पे ही धराशायी हो गया. So goggles. It's fun time guys. Beautiful weather. Serene and calm Yamuna ji. The view here is so awesome. Stunning. This place is amazing. So people who are living in Paonta Sahib or nearby, they can come here with their friends, families, and have a beautiful time, whether it is morning or in the evenings. Away from the hustle and bustle of the Paonta Sahib town. This is amazing. This place is amazing. So that's all for today. I will make this video short and crisp. And at the end, this is Robo. And that's my brother Pankaj. Say hi. And that's River Yamuna. And from here, we'll say goodbye.